Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. Back for the last stock pick of the day video for the week. We are going to cover Freeport McMoran. It is a mining company out of the materials sector. It is February 23rd, and I'd like to take a moment to thank everyone who has taken the time to watch, like, comment on the videos, and a special thank you to those who have subscribed to the channel. Really do appreciate it. You guys are awesome. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever any new videos are posted. Join me on this journey to financial freedom. On this channel, we cover dividend growth stocks. I have this series here, Monday through Thursday, the stock pick of the day series, where I look at a stock that is pulled back on the day, or that I think I might be seeing value or want to see value in the future in. We cover it, a quick high level view of the overall company itself and the metrics of the company. So if you're interested in that kind of content, I also do portfolio updates on Sunday as well, so you can see what I'm adding to my portfolio. Any buys, any sells, any movement at all, any dividends paid out, all of that jazz is what we cover here. So if you're into that kind of thing, like I said, hit that subscribe button down below and join us on this journey. Let's jump right into the video. So if you want to know more about this company, they are a mining company, and their homepage here, www.fcx.com. Freeport McMoran is the company. Freeport McMoran is a leading international mining company with headquarters in Phoenix, Arizona. Our company was incorporated under the laws of the state of Delaware on November 10, 1987. We operate large, long-lived, geographically diverse assets with significant proven and probable reserves of copper, gold, and molybdenum. I probably butchered that. If you know how to pronounce it, go ahead and help me out down below. Our portfolio of assets includes the Gasberg Minerals District in Indonesia, one of the world's largest copper and gold deposits, and significant mining operations in the Americas, including the large-scale Morenci Minerals District in North America and the Cerro Verde operation in South America. So there's, you heard, they have operations in North America, South America, and Indonesia. If you went to their homepage and clicked on these tabs, it will take you more in depth of what they are doing. Again, I'm not going to read through all of this. If you wanted to pause this here and read through the rest of it, or like I said, check them out here, www.fcx.com. That is their homepage. You can get more information about the company, but pretty much a mining company in the material sector. So if you're looking for a mining company, this might be one to take a look at, especially one headquartered here in America. We're talking about Freeport McMoran, ticker FCX, again out of the material sector, and they were down 2.87% on the day, closed out the day at $40.59, 52-week range as low as $24.80, as high as $51.99. Average volume is 11.9 million. Today's was 12.7. You can see that sell off throughout the day, right? Looks like they might have recovered a little bit towards the end of the day. Pretty much flat line right there in the last couple hours of trading. Market cap of 58.072 billion, a beta of 2. So very volatile company right here. Twice as volatile as the overall market. So for this one, I would pick a good entry point, right, at $40.59. They are closer to their 52-week high than their 52-week low, and as volatile as they are, I would expect them to retest that 52-week low at some point. So if you're interested in this company, I would wait for a better buying opportunity. Just me. You pick your own buying spots, right? It's all up to you. I'm just going to present the information. You do with it what you will. PE, price to earnings ratio, 17.35. Not bad, a little higher than what I would like right now in this market. Earnings per share, EPS, is sitting at $2.34. Decent. Next earnings date is April 19th through the April 24th. Yep, actually April 19th is my brother's birthday. Happy birthday, future birthday, Chase. Forward dividend is 60 cents. Now this is a little funky. We're going to see that here. They do pay out a weird schedule. If anyone has this company in their portfolio, let me know why do they really, well, we'll see it in a minute. We'll talk about it then. And a yield of 1.44%. Obviously, if you get them cheaper, that yield would be higher. Ex-dividend date was January 12th, so you would not get the next dividend, although I may be wrong on that because they do pay out, looks like they pay out twice a month sometimes. So, and 1 year target estimate, at least according to Yahoo Finance where I pulled this information, $45.08. I am not affiliated with Yahoo Finance, just one of the sources that I like to go to for information. Another source I like to go to, and I always recommend more than one, is stockanalysis.com. Another one I am not affiliated with, just another source I like to look at. And the 26 stock analysts, they've had to take a look at it. They call it a consensus buy. They have a low estimate of 24.24, right? That's pretty much in line with what we saw their 52-week low. So again, might be worth waiting on this one to see if it pulls back down to that 24.24 low. an average estimate of $45.19. That would be right in line with what we saw on the previous page for Yahoo Finance, and a high estimate of $63, and that would be a 55.21% increase in the stock price. All the while, you could collect that 1.4% dividend yield. Now, I do not have a position in this. I have a couple other mining companies in my portfolio currently, but at the right price, I might be interested. And this is what I was talking about. You can kind of see, it looks like they paid out twice in January, twice in April, twice in July, twice in October, right? So that seems to be their payout. January, April, July, October seems to be their payout dates. But why they are doubled up here, I don't know if that is really truly how they're paying it out. Maybe they're paying a regular dividend and a special dividend, or if they just pay out twice a month whenever they pay out. It just seems to be odd. So again, anyone who knows that, but it's 75.7 cents per share, 0.075 cents per share. So if anyone has this company, let me know. And they say 60% dividend growth, but it looks like they're all the same. Maybe that's because they pay out twice a month, I guess. I'm not sure what that is, but it does show a low payout ratio of 25%. So this one I might, if I was interested in this, probably do some more research, see why they're paying out that way. Do they really pay out that way? Like I said, if you own them, drop a comment down below and let me know what your experience with the payout has been. Is it always the same here? If it is growing at 60%, this is extremely, that's probably the fastest I've seen stock show that it grows, but I'm not as sure on this one. So I would think you'd want to do a little bit more research on this one. But that is Freeport McMoran. I would say I would wait for a better buying entry with a 2.87% decrease today. Maybe it continues to pull back towards that $24 at their 52-week low. But maybe one to look at in the mining sector, like I said, especially one that is a stateside mining company. So as always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Join me on this journey to financial freedom. And if you have not started your own journey as well, there is a link down below to Webull. If you use that link, sign up for Webull, drop some money in that account, start your journey in investing. You'll get some free stocks. I'll get some free stocks. It is a way to help out the channel. But again, hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, dropping a comment down below, sharing the video with anyone you think that might find value, and hit that notification bell. Those all help as well with the YouTube algorithm, and they help a small YouTube channel like me grow and spread the word. And it really is about spreading the word, folks. Investing is the only way, and I like dividend investing. I like a return on my stocks without having to sell stocks. So long as they're paying out dividends and growing dividends, I'll hold on to them. Good companies. Make sure you're buying good companies at the cheapest prices. That's what it's all about. That's what I like to cover on this channel. And eventually, you can live off the dividends produced by the portfolio and be financially free. Cut that sever to the 9-to-5 job and get out of the rat race. And I think that's what we all want, and I would like to do it without having to work 40, 50 years to get there. So that's why I do what I do, and I hope it helps some of you out there. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, opinions, suggestions for future topics, so drop them all down below. If you have some stocks you'd like me to cover in the Stock Pick of the Day series, go ahead and let me know. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Hope you had a great week. Tomorrow's Friday, last day of the week. So if you haven't gotten your trading in for the week, get it done tomorrow. I have made some buys. I'm going to talk about the Intel stock, not in this video, but they did cut their dividend. So it is one that I may be pulling out of my portfolio. I always said that I would hold it so long as they maintain the dividend, but I have to do a little bit more research. But I did find out last night that they cut the dividend. So I will address that this weekend. For those of you who are Intel investors. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can't lose money. You should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research. Invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select the criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.